my pumping bag. How am I going to survive work? What do I need to put in my bag? If you are worried about what you will put in your pumping bag, this video is for you. I will be showing you in a few moments all the items that are in my pumping bag that allows you to have a great successful day at work, pumping at least 24 to 32 ounces of milk per day. If you want to continue watching to learn more, stay tuned. In my pumping bag, just like every other working mom, my pumping bag is very unorganized. I'm sorry, for those of you that are organized, kudos to you. Those of you that are not so organized but still get the job done, hooray to you. So I will show you exactly what's in my bag. My first tip is, if you have a normal purse with a driver's license and an ID, you need to ditch that because you don't have time or arms. You do not have enough room to take a normal purse as well as a pumping bag. This small purse now replaces my big purse. So I would have everything that's in my big purse now in this small purse. That's identification cards, credit cards, lipstick, lip glosses, anything that I would put in my big purse that can fit into this small purse is in my pumping bag. In my pumping bag, of course, I have all of my tools. I always bring, just so you know, a bottle. And the reason why I bring bottles is because once you're done pumping, you can pour the milk directly into the bottle. This will save you time once you get home, because once you get home, you don't have time to clean bottles and switch all that stuff out. So if you were able to transfer the milk immediately from the pumping tool right into the bottles, if you don't have time to wash anything once you get home, then you know that the bottles are already ready to go out the door the next day. What I also have in my bag, of course, are all of the tubings, because you do need those, otherwise you will not be able to pump. I also have in my bag the battery pack. So I have a battery pack just in case something happens to the wall outlet. So I have the wall outlet, the battery pack, as well as the car charger, because you just never know when you will need to pump or when any of those items will stop working. The next important thing that you need to have in your bags will be wipes, because let's be real, you don't have time to wash the parts every single time you use them at work. There's just not enough time in the day. So don't feel bad if you have to just wipe them out. Just wipe them out. Do what you need to do to get it done. I will also recommend putting a ziplock bag in your bag, because this way, once you wipe the parts out, you can put the parts in the ziplock bag, shut it off, stick it in the fridge, or put it back in the bag. Just leave it open so it dries and it's ready to go on the next time. So that's all you basically need. You need the small items that would normally go into your big purse. I would say bring a bottle to transfer the milk immediately into the bottles if you are preparing fresh milk for your baby each day. I don't store milk unless I have a reason to. Otherwise, we are preparing fresh milk, fresh squeezed on a daily basis. Bring hand sanitizer just in case you need to wipe your hands for any reason. Bring wipes and a Ziploc bag. You don't need to complicate it. I think the reason why a lot of moms get frustrated with the process is because they're complicating it and they're thinking of too many things to do and too many items that they need to have in their pump bag. Just keep it as simple as possible. Keep it simple, Sally. If you like this video, you will definitely love any of the videos on breastfeeding that I have done over the last couple of weeks. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget, do not give up on a bad day. It will get difficult. You will want to stop. You will want to quit. You will think, oh my God, I cannot do this anymore. But just never give up on a bad day. Remember to prepare. And even when things don't go the way they're supposed to go, when they're supposed to go, remember that tomorrow is always another day. Remember to be bold, to be great, and be beautiful.